Have you heard about Steve Jobs' last words? Oh wow, oh wow, oh wow. Those were his last words, believe me. I don't know what I would like my last words to be. What would you like your last words to be? It's a good question. Nowadays, people don't have time to say last words before they die. We die violently. Very few people die on hospital beds or at home. I know. I would like my last words to be fuck it. Fuck it. Fuck it. That would be the best possible last words to me. Fuck it.